Medium Deluxe Pondless Waterfall. It's our disappearing waterfall. So we just did a little test here, and as you can see, Justin was mouthing to me, maybe you're not. But it is free, so it is ready to be lifted.
Brad.
Check it out, the three guys were able to do it.
You were there for part of it.
Well, yeah, I was there for part of it. So that is how you take apart the roll cage to fit in places like this. You know? I don't know how big our vertebrae are outside our body.
Well, now we have it documented.
Did you know there's a baby in the excavator? There's a infant in the excavator, guys. Brad just starts running, man.
There's a Nick giraffe.
There was like a bug or something in there.
Oh, yuck.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna hit me. Oh man! Good morning, everyone. It's your friendly neighborhood pond king. I am very grateful to my team today. I am running behind. My daughter keeps waking up at 3 in the morning. This morning at 3, I was like, man, I feel like I should just wake up and get going. And then 3:45, I fell asleep. So I got a little extra sleep. And then right as I was getting out the door, she woke up. And that like adds like another 10-15 minutes anytime the kids wake up. Because I can't like not hug them and say I love you and have a good day. Okay, have a good day. Okay, have a good day. While they're crying, you know. Unfortunately, that's how it has to go. It's real hard running away when they're crying, but that's life. I'm sure a lot of you understand. Anyone who has kids has to go to work. I'm sure you totally know what that's like. So I'm here. I love it. The guys were already rocking and rolling. The pathway's set up. We got some huge boulders. And we got some Nick boulders that only Nick can be the counterweight to the machine for. So that's what we're gonna do next. It is the start of day 5. Have you hugged a friendly operator lately? Keep in mind, machine operators, it's not a glamorous job, but it's a very necessary job. Man, the mental focus it takes to make sure you're not hurting anyone, hitting a tree, spinning into these trees, swinging a rock into an important rock. Make sure to hug an operator today, all right? Tell them thank you. Because these skyscrapers we have, the houses we have, everything is relied on somebody using heavy machinery. So go give someone a hug. High five. I feel loved. All right, Mark, you want to do an update? Guys, did you know there's a baby in the excavator?
What? What are you doing?
There's a infant in the excavator, guys.
Throw the arm down.
And just start whipping up. Emerson! Hi! You driving an excavator? Hanging with the guys? I am playing with the boys. You doing it? You figuring it out? All right, everyone at home, just so you know, it's not live until this arm goes down. So when she learns to throw that arm down, then we're really in trouble. But for everyone at home, she is not in control of anything at the moment. Look at you. Look at you, cutie. Look at you, cutie. There's that cute girl. Yeah, that's Emerson. You having fun? You guys have songs stuck in your head? I do. Hey Mark, which one was it?
Highway to the danger zone.
Throw a shark through Baby shark,
Baby shark, do 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 do, baby. Let's go hunt, do 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 do. Let's go hunt, do do. Safe at last. That's the end, do 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 do. That's the end.
It's the end.
Well, now that's stuck in my head. I had a good one. I am playing with the
Let's do the hot dog dance.
peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time. Brad just starts running, man. That's awesome. Everyone had something. I'm getting ready to roll out. The guys are gonna stay here and clean for me. We got a lot done. We got the next tier waterfall built. We've brought in another amount of dirt. 1 or 2 more will do it. We'll want to grade out into the yard, so this looks like it was kind of always here, built into the hillside. We got about 3 tons of boulder wall placed, some heavy duty guys. Brought in a whole load of dirt, and it's just around 3:30. The guys are gonna stay here and get it ready for the weekend for me. So we should have water flowing Tuesday morning, and we should be wrapping it up hopefully Tuesday. So it's Friday right now. Y'all have a nice weekend. We'll be back. That's the end of day 5. We'll start Monday with day 6. See you Monday, everyone. Hey, 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 it's your friendly neighborhood Pond King. It's Monday morning. The guys stayed back and cleaned up the job site, prepped for rain, and man, they did perfect. So everything's ready for us to rock and roll. Today is day 6. Let's say hi to Mark, the Paint King Bush. How are you, sir?
We're doing good. It's Monday morning. We're on site, moving some dirt, some boulders to move. It's a beautiful day in Minnesota right now. Agreed?
Agreed. Said we got dirt. Yeah, we got the dirt. And he said we got boulders to move. The pathway has been made, and we shall pass. You shall not pass. You shall not pass. Got B Money. What up, B Money? Man, everything's in great condition. Handled the weather well. Nothing got wet. Nice work, guys.
In the wild. We're in the canopy. We're a builder. We've come across many strange animals. There's a Nick giraffe reaching to the top of the canopy for the freshest leaves of the season.
Oh god.
Oh no. Oh no.
I think there was like a bug or something in there.
Oh yuck.
That's beautiful. Got some driftwood. What? What in the world? Wonder what animal that vertebrae is to. Look at that. Dude, you're not gonna guess what's under that bridge. Take a guess. What's under that bridge I just came from?
A troll.
Cole, it might be a troll. I didn't see one, but I saw a remnant.
Salmon?
You got any ideas?
A bear.
Northern alligator.
Northern gator. Oh, water buffalo.
A stick.
I did focus on a stick.
It's gonna be nothing, and that's gonna be the answer. Nothing.
That white thing over there, you see that? What is that? It's a vertebrae of some kind. Yeah, go look. But guys, the bridge isn't done. Look behind me. Look at that.
That is pretty remarkable.
Oh, that is pretty cool.
But that was real, and you guys didn't notice that the whole time. So.
You know what? I think we
I know, I
got,
was trying to do
we
that.
got a little mystery we're putting together here.
And then check out that magazine over there. It's a Playboy. There's a Playboy down here. Look at that. It says we're gonna be okay.
Where? On the right.
We're gonna be okay.
Oh yeah.
Don't listen to the media.
We're gonna be okay. All right.
Come on, that was worth the adventure.
Yeah, thank you. That was cool.
Now, what kind of vertebrae is this? Because you guys just like casually walked on. What if it's human?
Well,
Because look at that tailbone, right? Isn't that the tailbone? And, you know, I don't know how big our vertebrae are outside our body.
well, now we have it documented. There's some driftwood here.
Yeah, there's a piece right there.
Look at this. This is perfect.
I know. We're actually working right now. We are on a driftwood hunt. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, it's gonna hit me! Oh my gosh. And now it's Brad's turn for the 25 throw challenge. Hey Justin, thank you for being a good sport. You didn't get it this time. There's always a next time. He won't get it next time either. Wow! Oh man! Were you aiming for my head? Thank you for your honesty. $19, $20, $24. The last one. Oh my God! In conclusion, they weren't able to do it.
Not this time.
Not this time.
But hey, Brad got some piece of metal 3 times. He was close. He hit the chains.
Oh man, that was fun.
Yeah.
And we got a piece of driftwood for our
That'll
arc.
be a tradition. Anytime we install a water feature close to a golf course, we have to.
We just have to explore the area. Maybe there's a park that we don't know about.
The 25 hole.
Maybe you'll see Ponkin go down some slides.
The 25 throw challenge.
Oh, Justin's stuck on this challenge. I should let him talk about it.
It's our challenge.
Here we are. Beautiful sunshiny fall day in Minnesota. This guy is starting to turn color. I bet it tastes delicious.
There's a Nick giraffe.
Is its foot messed up
Man,
here?
I hope he can make it. There's some water area. Just put them like in the not in the water, but like on the moist mud. Yeah, keep them from predators.
Well, let's make them a house.
Google it, YouTube it, Brian Bierzak. Mark just handles things like a man. Nothing gets hurt that way. And thus concludes the salamander survival portion of today. So the guys are gonna just look for a spot to put the salamander in a non-threatening spot. Look at that dirt. Oh my gosh. Can I come and help you out there? I had the camera put away, but I just pulled it out again. That was the heaviest one of the bunch too, I think. Oh. Don't punch me, don't hit me.
25 throw challenge.
No, but what did you say about the other thing that threw me off? I was gonna say something and you threw me off.
What was the other thing?
Unload that?
Oh, if you don't mind.
Oh, that.
Yeah.
Oh, that. No problem. I'm gonna ask the guys to just grab it from the back. Why are your hands so dark?
Callousy.
They are kind of.
Oh, you need some lotion. This is acceptable though. We're in Minneapolis.
Oh my God! Don't stop! Oh! When does it become awkward?
I don't know. It's never.
But, yeah, I didn't feel awkward at all. Here it goes. The Paint King gonna paint that goalpost. 19. There it is. Oh my God.
Last one's a whiff. Nick, what are we doing?
It's my turn for the 25 throw challenge. I haven't played disc in a long time. Sorry for what you have to watch. I think I'm gonna be the one to do it.
I hope so.
Your buddy Pond King's got it.
Tomorrow's another day.
Tomorrow's another day. So out of 100 shots, we only had a couple things. 5% hit the basket, I think it was.
5 hits out of 100.
I think so.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna up that percentage tomorrow, boys. Yeah, we're not gonna do this tomorrow.
So that's the end of day 6, y'all. Hey, good morning everyone. It's Friendly Neighborhood Pond King. And so we are on project number 20 and we're about to have water running by the end of the day here. So things are going well and we're gonna get rolling. We just moved in about 3 tons of boulders, got them placed and finished out the wall. We got some cool spots for people to come and just sit down. They'll be able to listen to the waterfall. We've got the bubbling basalt ready to go. We're just gonna run some more plumbing. So we got about 3 hours of work to get this sucker up and running. And that's running down to the rock yard, getting some more gravel. But check out this big boulders. Get that wall. All right, this is our medium deluxe with a basalt column and an extra foot of buildup. So we just got everything foamed in. Everything's plumbed. So now we're just gonna wait for the foam to settle up a little bit. We got about 20 minutes to do that. And in that meantime, we're just gonna fill in the gravel in the rest of the spots inside the stream. It is a little after 5:30 right now, like 5:34. I thought we'd have water running by 6, and we're just getting ready to plug it in. Justin gets to do the honors today. Check this out. So how do you feel like we use the space?
I think it's great proportion. You know, for this, especially for this yard, under the tree, next to the patio, you know, with a nice backdrop behind it. And all you want to do, like you said, is walk up and walk around it. You know, check it out. You know.
That's awesome.
And listen to the sound. You can hear this in the house. You can hear it in the porch. You can hear it all back here. It just takes your focus off the city sounds to the water. So,
I totally agree. Now, are you happy you trusted our vision and trusted us?
Oh
with
yeah.
it?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
We got
when
some.
I was sitting there, I was going, oh my God, I got to see what's going on, and
Yeah.
and you guys showed me the ropes, but in the end, you're the designer.
And one of the things that I think Tom did a really cool job of saying was he was so glad he gave us the budget and the freedom to be able to create. I think he said a good job. Did a good job of explaining that when people give us an extra foot of buildup, or they give us an extra pump to play with, a lot of times we'll end up kind of getting a little carried away, and it's more of giving us like the budget and the freedom to create how we would see this and how we would want it to fit into our backyard. So in this case, they paid for a 3-foot buildup, and if you look over where Justin is, I mean, we almost got to about a 4-foot buildup way over there, 4.5. With some huge boulders. I mean, the wall's so big you can hardly see Justin over the wall there. Hey Justin, can you hear me? Hey, how are ya? Yeah. Oh no. Are you standing up right now? Oh no. Look at that buildup. Tree is super pretty. About to be lit up at night too. Just about ready to start pulling our way out. Hi, Nick the Pond King here for Garden Weasel. It looks like my shoulders are bursting out of my shirt because it's a shoulder workout. But nothing works quite like a garden weasel works. Look at this. You're just starting fresh. You're getting yourself some new soil, and you're getting a workout at the same time. So, if you're looking on how to leave your job site fresh and tidy, and nearly like you weren't there, I recommend the Garden Weasel by gardenweasel.com. Justin, would you like to do a testimonial for the Garden Weasel?
I like to use the garden weasel.
That's it? That's all you. That's it? Look how beautiful that tree is. Man, I was gonna do a closeout, but the sun's hitting that thing just right, and I just had to show it. Look at that thing. This guy is starting to turn colors. Tree is super pretty. It's just gorgeous. That shades that waterfall. Now we just have our filter mat in there just to pull out some of the particles out of the water. Justin's doing a final rinse down. Look at that basalt column. The way it's coming off of that. So that is project number 20 complete. That looks like a Pond King water garden. And it's not just me, Nick the Pond King, it's the entire team of Pond King getting it done. And you gotta see the path. The guys killed the path. They made it look awesome. So when I say kill it, I mean it in a positive way. Because man, these guys are just working hard and getting things done. And it's just looking awesome. I mean, I can't believe we did that in 6 days, 7 days. Guys really put down this path in a nice way. It's got a cool twist to it. We were able to freshen up the mulch for almost all of it. Ramps are up. That'll just get the arm put down. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Throw down a comment. Tell us what you're thinking so far. So thank you so much, St. Paul. It's been fun working in your area. And make sure to join us next week when we go to Punta Gorda, Florida to Iguana Land. Justin and I travel from Minnesota where it's super cold. We fly into Fort Myers, Florida, and then we get an awesome hotel and a welcoming party by Aquascape. And then we start building with a bunch of certified Aquascape contractors from all across the world. And then we really get to know Ty Park, the owner of Iguana Land. So we get to travel down there, get to see a legacy in the making, and we get to help with that legacy. How cool is that? And then we had tons of fun being with friends and staying up until the wee hours of the night. Really fun vacations. All right, so here comes Justin. Yeah. That's gonna go build something cool, I bet.
And this is Arnold saying so long, and buy a lot of feature from Pond King Water Gardens because they're the best. Yeah.
Sponsored by Pond King Water Gardens. Works of art, 1 yard at a time.